んにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 17 of JLPT N4 and we're going to talk about the particle wa. Today we're going to learn focus particle 取り立て助詞。助詞 it means particle. For example, wa. And today how to use this wa is to emphasize. The way to know if this wa is focus particle or not, it's quite easy. In a normal sentence, when we must use ga or wo, but we use wa, so this is not normal. It's quite special. In this case, this wa is focus particle. Actually, I already explained about this toritate joshi focus particle in my grammar video number 41 and 82 in JLPT N5 grammar video. But today we're going to use in the case of hantai, this is opposite. It means, well, I want this, but this I don't want. Or I do this, but I don't do that. So this is kind of opposite. In this case, we're going to use wa. I play soccer, but not baseball. 野球 baseball 野球 soccer this is soccer. In Japanese, when we say to play football or to play baseball, we don't use the verb 遊びます to play, but we use します to do. So 野球をします it means to play baseball. サッカーをします it means to play soccer or to play football. But in this case, I say, yes, I play soccer, but I don't play baseball. So this is something, it's like emphasizing. So instead of wo, we are going to use wa. サッカーはしますが、野球はしません。サッカーはしますが、野球はしません。My son eats meat, but fish, he doesn't eat so much. Vocabulary, meat, 肉 and fish, 魚 At first, we'll see the sentence without any emphasis. It means only, my son eats meat. In this case, meat, this is direct object. So we're going to use を。息子は肉を食べます。息子は肉を食べます。But in this case, meat, yes, but not fish. So in this case, instead of を, we're going to use は。息子は肉は食べますが、魚はあまり食べません。息子は肉は食べますが、魚はあまり食べません。It rained yesterday, but today, it's sunny. At first, let's see without any emphasis. 昨日雨でした。So without any particle, 昨日雨でした。Or maybe you can say 昨日雨が降りました。昨日雨が降りました。But let's say now the easier. 昨日雨でした。Today it's sunny. 今日晴れです。Oh, I told you 晴れです instead of 晴れます。Right? Well, 晴れます this is the verb to be a fine weather. But I use in this case 晴れ as a noun. So 晴れです。It's sunny. 今日晴れです。It means today it's sunny. So actually we don't need any particle here. But now I want to use this particle wa because I want to say yesterday it was rainy. But today, so this is, I'm comparing yesterday and today. Today, it's sunny. So I'm gonna use yesterday and wa. Today and wa. 昨日は雨でしたが、昨日は雨でしたが、今日は晴れです。今日は晴れです。昨日は雨でしたが、今日は晴れです。Milk? Yeah, I take some milk. But coffee, I don't drink it. I drink some milk. We usually use the particle o because this is direct object. 牛乳を飲みます。牛乳を飲みます。But in this case, I'm saying milk, yes, but coffee, no. So this is I'm saying something opposite. So instead of wo, we must use wa. This is to emphasize. 牛乳は飲みますが、コーヒーは飲みません。牛乳は飲みますが、コーヒーは飲みません。Apples? Yeah, I bought them. Oh, bananas. Oh, I didn't buy them. I buy some apples. In this case, apples, this is direct object. So we usually use this particle. リンゴを買います。I buy some apples. In this case, instead of I'm doing apples, yeah. But bananas are not bananas. So I'm comparing in some way. So instead of we are going to use wa to emphasize. リンゴは買いました。リンゴは買いましたが、バナナは買いませんでした。リンゴは買いましたが、バナナは買いませんでした。I like cakes. I like them. But this cake, I don't like it. I like cakes. We usually say with particle ga because this 好き this is not adjective, but I like, we say with ga, something ga 好きです。So in this case, ケーキが好きです。I like cakes. But in this case, yeah, cakes, I like them. But this one, so this is very emphasizing one. So instead of ga, we are gonna use wa. ケーキは好きですが、このケーキは好きじゃありません。ケーキは好きですが、このケーキは好きじゃありません。My daughter cooks very well. Well, she's good at cooking. But to cleaning the house, not so good at it. At first, I'm gonna explain you some vocabularies. 料理, this is cooking. And 掃除します to clean the house. But this time, I'm gonna use as a noun without します。掃除, this is the cleaning. These two not adjective. 上手, it means skillful. Very good at doing something. 上手. And 苦手, it's contrary. Not good at doing something. Or feels uncomfortable doing something. This is 苦手 or doesn't like it. These adjectives, not adjectives such as 上手, 苦手 or 好き, 嫌い, 下手, these adjectives, we need to use this particle が something が上手です something が苦手です But in this case, I'm kind of comparing the cooking, yeah, but the cleaning, no. So in this case, instead of が we are gonna change to は So this is special one. This is to emphasize. 娘は料理は上手です。娘は料理は 上手ですが、掃除は苦手です。苦手です。娘は料理は上手ですが、掃除は苦手です。Japanese? Yeah, I understand it. Oh, but Chinese? Oh, I don't understand it. The country China, we say 中国. 中国. But the language Chinese, we must add this 語. 中国語. 中国語 Chinese language. The verb to understand わかります and we need to use this particle が something がわかります I understand something so with が but in this case as this is like a one thing yes but the other thing no so this is special one to emphasize so instead of が I'm gonna use は日本語はわかります。日本語はわかりますが、中国語はわかりません。日本語はわかりますが、中国語はわかりません。I can play the piano, yeah, but violin, ooh, I can't. The verb to play string musical instrument, we say 弾きます。弾きます。This is group 1. I play the piano. ピアノを弾きます。ピアノを弾きます。But I said, I can play the piano. So this is potential verb. I can play. It means 弾きます instead of 弾きます. This is group 1. So with that mas, this key sound, you must change to a sound. 弾け。かきくけ。弾けます。And also, when we use the potential verb, we need to put が instead of お。ピアノが弾けます。ピアノが弾けます。I can play the piano. ピアノが弾けます。But in this case, piano, yes, I can play the piano. But violin, no, I can't. So this is special one. This is emphasizing one. So instead of が of the potential verb, we are going to change to は。ピアノは弾けます。ピアノは弾けます。I can play the piano. Yeah, piano, yes, I can play the piano. ピアノは弾けますが、ピアノは弾けますが、バイオリンは弾けません。ピアノは弾けますが、バイオリンは弾けません。Violin. There are two ways to write. Here, violin. And also this one, violin, like V sound. But we usually use this one, the first one, violin. If you are interested in knowing more about this V sound in Japanese, how to write it in katakana, va, vi, vu, ve, vo, then you can watch my vocabulary video number 31. And there I explain about this V sound and also about the history. My grandson, yeah, he can write hiragana. Yeah, hiragana, yes, okay. But katakana, still impossible. The verb to write, kakimasu. This is group 1. And in this case, this is potential verb. He can write hiragana. So it means instead of ki here, you must change the sound, the vowel to e. It means kakiku ke. So instead of here, this one ki, kakemasu. Hiragana ga kakemasu. We usually use this particle ga because this is potential verb. Hiragana ga kakemasu. But in this case, hiragana, yeah, but not katakana. So this is special one. This is emphasizing one. So, ひらがなはかけます。Oh, it's impossible. This is not adjective. 無理な something. But, oh, 無理です。無理です。It's impossible. 孫はひらがなはかけますが、カタカナはまだ無理です。孫はひらがなはかけますが、カタカナはまだ無理です。I guess you understand very well how to use this wa, this special particle when you wanna emphasize this one yes, but this one not. Like this. In this case, we use wa. Well, now a quiz time with only 3 translations into Japanese. 1番目. My husband drinks sake or drinks alcoholic drinks or sake. But tobacco? No. He doesn't smoke. 2番目. Oh, this week? This week, no, I'm very busy this week. But the next week, I don't have still any plan. 3番目、最後です。Animals? Yeah, I like animals. But birds, I don't like them. I'm gonna help you with some words. 動物 animals. Well, 動 this comes from 動きます to move. 物物 this is the thing that move. Animals. 動物 the birds. 鳥 If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue learning Japanese with me. And I'll be so grateful if you can share my videos with your friends. いかがでしたか？今日は取り立て助詞のこの和の使い方を勉強しました。たくさんの例文を見てきましたから、きっとよくわかってくれたと思います。取り立て助詞というのは特別に何かを強調したいときにこの和に変えるんです。普通はがとかをの場合、和に変えている場合はそれは取り立て助詞です。その場合の意味はこれはそうだけどこれはそうじゃないとか、これはしたけどこれはしていないとか、そういうふうに使います。今日のビデオが気に入ってくださったらぜひいいねボタンとそしてチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。じゃあね、またね。